Are you struggling with the complexities of pet food processing? Let's face it, quality and compliance are non-negotiable. Our selection of Rice Lake weighing system scales offer cutting-edge solutions designed to streamline your operations and ensure safety. Our scales excel in washdown environments, tackling contamination and meeting FDA standards. Boost productivity with our precision checkweighers. They ensure you meet target weights and enhance customer satisfaction while preventing costly overfilling and underfilling. Experience the efficiency of MotoWeigh in-motion checkweighers. They reduce human error and increase operational speed, tailored to your facility's layout. Looking for reliable food-safe platform scales? Our stainless steel models resist corrosion and make compliance a breeze, all while withstanding rigorous washdown cleaning procedures. Trust the Rice Lake instrumentation for accurate data management. Our indicators and load cells are designed for extreme conditions, giving you the performance you need without the hassle. Join the revolution in pet food manufacturing. Visit centralcarolinascale.com and contact our sales department today for personalized solutions.